Hello everyone. This just got delivered yesterday and now it's time to put it to the test. Been on the hunt for a good one. Still waiting for the ADV in peach, but it's been out of stock for like months now. I don't know if they're gonna restock it or not anymore. I found this and this has solid review. You can check the Lululemon app or website. So let's see how it holds up. And I hope that it won't give me skin chafe. This is my first running vest, so I don't know what to expect. Aside from I will be able to drink while running. Di na ako malulunod. I won't get drowned. On water bottle strap. And it doesn't have like a straw. So whenever I drink, I get drowned. This is the running vest. Let me wear it first. Doesn't have water bladder. You need to buy one. That is from Amazon. We're also gonna put it to the test. I have to run 5.5 miles today. I think this is enough. Or dagdagan ko. Dagdagan ko na. One doesn't have zipper. So I don't know. I don't know if it will matter pag may zipper. I think it's important may zipper, diba? No. Let's see. Yan na siya. And then it has this. Ganyan siya. Dito siya susuksok. Isin ko lang to. Paano ba to sinusuksok? Wait lang. So, ito na siya. Meron palang ganito. Naayos ko siya sa loob. And then, pwede mo pa siyang ipasok dito. I don't think I need the gel right now. I will put one here, siguro. Zipper on the left. Pockets here. Zipper here. May zipper dito. At the back, that you can like pull it to tighten it more. I think it's enough for me. So this is size small. Bago yung bilbil ko, hindi pala. This is the vest when worn. I'll turn around. There. Yan. 5, let's go! Bye! I'll update you later. Hi guys, just finished my 5.5 miles. Hindi ko pa to hinuhubad. This is it. This is really, is it? It didn't bulge at all. Ay, ang arte! It didn't move. It didn't bulge. Pag running, medyo may impact, diba? It's so light. I didn't feel that I have a vest on. It's not cutting my armpit. Ayoko nun. I don't like that. Like, even sa clothes. Ayoko nang, like, super hapit dito sa armpit. 10 over 10. Well, this one is here. Like, all throughout. If I have to drink, just... So, this one, it didn't leak. I said kanina, wala siyang zipper, but I didn't, it's coming out. Both the running vest and the bladder vest.